Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I create my magic moisturizing juice. That's right, my AKA DIY aloe vera juice. But before we get into that, I want you to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe button down there, and as well as following me on all social media at Trailing Danita. So here we go. This is the magic stuff that I'll be extracting from this beautiful plant they call the aloe vera plant. Now, I've been using aloe vera for some time now, but this is the actual first time I'll be creating the actual juice from scratch. I would normally buy the aloe vera juice already prepared, but I wanted to go ahead and go through the process and actually creating my own. So what I've done is that I've just picked up some aloe vera from my neighborhood, a grocery store, and I'm quite sure you can find somewhere anywhere. You might even luck up and have an auntie or grandma got an aloe vera plant sticking up in their living room, and you can just kind of snatch you a leaf or two. But nonetheless, I'll be extracting the gel, just cutting the sides off each of the aloe vera plant. It's really simple. Peeling that skin back and exposing that gel. That is what we're going to be using to blend up with the water. So right now I'm just putting the gel or scraping that gel into the blender and preparing it to be mixed together to create the aloe vera juice. And keep in mind, y'all, this is super simple. It's not difficult. It's fairly easy. So I'm just putting the stems to the side and adding some warm water to my blender. And for this mix, you can kind of eyeball it. Look, I'm no scientist. I'm just doing this by the whim and just eyeballing it. You can add as much water as you want. And I'm just creating the consistency that I think that I need for my spray bottle. So once I've blended all of the gel up, I'm using a jar that are kind of just hanging around in the kitchen. I've cleaned it out and washed it out. And I'm using a strainer so that I can strain the actual juice into the jar to make it easy for me to pour into my water bottle later on that I'll be using to spray actually on my hair. Now, I've been using, like I said, the aloe vera for some time, and I basically use this for moisturizing my hair. The aloe vera juice is definitely great for conditioning. It adds shine, it reduces frizz, and I use this for when I'm doing the lock method on my hair. So as many naturals know, the lock method, it stands for LOC, which is your liquid, oil, and cream. And I basically use the aloe vera gel for the liquid, if you will. So I'm down to the ends of putting all of the aloe vera juice and just scraping the rest of the gel from the actual strainer. And at this point, I'm just using a regular spray bottle. You can find a spray bottle from practically anywhere, your neighborhood dollar store, your Targets, your Walmart. And I'm just pouring that juice into the spray bottle to make it easily usable for when I need to spray it on my hair. And yeah, good people, that's pretty much it. It's super easy. Easy steps. It doesn't require a whole lot of know-how. And now I have my aloe vera gel, and I'm all set to go to moisturizing my hair. So thanks for watching, good people, and stick around for my next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao.
I wanna see